Blog helps you maintain an online portfolio. So thoughts which you have generated and shared with the world over the years will substantiate the fact that you have been steadily learning, practicing, sharing it with the world. So there is no way to fake it. First and second is you will have a huge online portfolio which can be vet whenever someone is checking your credentials, that okay, you have been active writer, active commenter on any technology or the field where you are interested, and you're maybe applying for a job. So it really helps you in maintaining an online portfolio or online presence. So you get global exposure. So let's say if you're a business, um, one way is to have just the website, but to have the conversation going on, you will have a blog, and there will be lots of blog posts which will have some valuable content for the readers, for the people who are visiting your website and who are your prospective customers. And if they will go through your blog, then there will be more engagement with them, which will help you in getting connected and getting some kind of valuable data from them. Let's say you're getting email IDs from them, so that really helps you a lot. And also, since there were limited web pages of your corporate website listed on the Google, now these blog posts which are more shareable, they will be listed on the social media platforms and search engines. So that opens up a new marketing channel for you, so more people will be able to see and explore and discover your business. So that's a really great way to get lots of exposure which is global in nature. So since you have been writing a lot about the domain, so let's say um, maybe open source technology or maybe fashion in your district, so you will become an authority. So it won't be happening very soon, so it will take about 5 to 10 years, but eventually people will start recognizing you. They will recognize your name, your brand, your company's name. If you've been maintaining your blog for years, so they will recognize you, and that's when you will become an authority, and maybe you will get invitation to conferences to become a speaker, because you have been actively being vocal about your domain. So that's really important, and you will be able to promote your products and services. So since you are a business or you are a consultant, and you as a business or a consultant, you are sharing lots of information which is valuable to the end users, you will be able to pitch your products in between those blog posts. So let's say you are a communication expert, and you want to sell your books. So first of all, you will list down 10 pointers about how to become a good communication expert, and then you can either offer your services, which can be training services, or you can sell your book. So you can have subtle plugs in between your blog posts. So that's another way of promoting your products and services. So that is just one way. You can have lots of ways to pitch your business through your blog posts. So that's a great way to promote your services. Blogs also helps you in earning lots of money, and most of the bloggers who have turned full time are earning from their blogs. So how do they earn it? First is becoming affiliate, which means that whenever someone buys a product from your affiliate link, they get a cut, or the commission from every purchase they make. So that's a great way to get revenue. Second is having advertisements on your blog. So if you have good viewers or followers or subscribers, they will keep on coming to your blog, and they will keep on reading valuable content which you have on your blog. And there will be some ad blocks on your blog which will be shown to them, and if any of them happens to click on the advertisement, then you will get some money, and if there are lots of viewers and lots of clicks, then you will get lots of money. So it's another great way to earn money. Third is you can have paid placements. So in case you have hundreds of thousand views on your blog, and there's a brand who is related to your blog. So let's say if you're a fashion blogger and there's a fashion brand who recognize you as a key influencer in particular geography, then they will give you, let's say, $100 or $1,000 to have a block or an advertisement or a blog or a sponsored blog post on your blog for certain period of time, and then you will be able to earn money through it. So those were some of the ways of how to earn money from your blog.